Hi students of class 2. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter 3. Last day we have done one part of revision, that is question 1 to 9. Last day we have done the revision from question 1 to 10. 1 to 9 we have done, and today we will do the revision from 10 to 18. So those who have finished writing, please get ready with the copy. We will revise it from the computer CW copy, and those who have not done, please listen to me carefully as I am reading the question answers for you. So let's start the class. Question number 10 is, name some commonly used output devices. Answer is monitor, printer, speaker. So I am repeating the answer once again. The commonly used output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Next, what is the use of printer? A printer is used to give the result on paper. The printer is used to give the result on paper. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. Next, what is hard copy? The printed work is called the hard copy or printout. The printed work is called the hard copy or printout. What is the use of a speaker? Speaker is the output device which is used to hear the sound played by the computer. Where the speaker can be found? Speaker can be found inside the CPU box, or it can be kept outside. So, speaker can be found inside the CPU box, or it can be kept outside. Next, what is a touch screen? Rather, why is a touch screen called both an input and output device? We can touch or select or even type on the screen to give the input. The result will also be displayed on the same screen. That's why it is called both an input and output device. I am repeating it once again. We can touch and select or even type on the screen to give the input, and the result will also be displayed on the same screen. That is why touch screen is called both an input and output device. Next, what is a touch screen? A touch screen is both an input and output device. When do storage device act as output device? Sometimes when we don't want to display the result on the computer or the output device, we can store it on the storage device. This can be used later whenever we want. So sometimes when we do not want to display the result on the output device, we can store it on the storage device. This can be used later whenever we want. Next question. Name some commonly used storage device. Pen drive, hard disk, CD are the commonly used storage device. Pen drive, hard disk and CD are the commonly used storage device. Next, name some device used to carry data from one place to another. Pen drive and CD are used to carry data from one place to another. Pen drive and CD are used to carry data from one place to another. So here we have done today's CW work, the revision of question answer of chapter 3 from question number 10 to 18. So today's HW work is to learn the question answer of chapter 3, 10 to 18. I think everyone has learned till question number 9 last day, as we have done in the CW of the last day. Today you will start from 10 to 18. And as you will finish the learning part, please write the question answer at least for once in the computer CW copy or in the home copy. And then after that, check it once the spellings, so that whatever wrong you have done, you can learn it again to rectify the mistakes. So today's HW work is clear to all. As you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work on time, and bye-bye.